Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6 Intelligent Content Suggestion feature. Leveraging Solar and Magellan to generate data through content analytics, Teamsite 16.6 provides intelligent suggestion based on pre-existing content on the page. Let's try to edit a page. Notice the page mentions cat. Select Edit, Insert Image, and browse the source. Notice suggested content includes images of cats. Cancel and try Add Component. Select Assets, then Media. Notice suggested content includes images of cats. Close the UI and change the content on the page. Let's use the word dog instead. Click outside the basic content to save, then try to insert an image. Notice the suggested content includes images of dogs compared to all content. Close the UI and edit the page content one more time. Now add beach to the page content. Add a component, select Assets, then Media. This time, images of both dogs and beach are included. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6 increases user efficiency as it is easier to find the best contextually relevant assets related to the content on the page.